Hi friends, this is Hikvision amplifier. Okay, you can see how to open Bluetooth connection. See, this USB mode, but it's not going to connect Bluetooth. See, it's not working. Okay, then let's go to how to turn on Bluetooth. First go to turn off the amplifier power button. After that, turn on at a time, hold this button. Okay, hold this button and turn on. Turn on, 5-second hold. Then start, hold this button. Okay, after that, see, this is Bluetooth. Now it is working. By default this is not connecting the Bluetooth. Okay, now this one success. Thank you.